What's the meaning of bigamous? Bigamous. Bigamous.
Bigamous. Bigamous. The term bigamous refers to the act of being married to two people at the same time without the knowledge or consent of one's spouse. This is considered a serious legal and moral offense in many cultures and societies around the world. It is typically viewed as a form of deception and betrayal of trust, and can have serious consequences for those involved. The practice of bigamy is illegal in most countries and jurisdictions, and can result in imprisonment or heavy fines. Overall, bigamy is seen as a violation of the sanctity and integrity of marriage, and is not condoned or accepted by most people.